Welcome to Narisaki. Today we are making a different sambar, very tasty pineapple sambar, and I make it every year during pineapple season. So here I've taken some soaked dal. I've taken red lentils, and I'm going to cook it with a little bit of salt. So I'm crushing some pineapple. I take equal amount of tomatoes and add some tamarind. If you don't have tamarind, you can add lemon juice, some ginger, and crush it, blend it. You can no need to add water, and this is blended. So I'm going to put it in a pan. And sambar is very thin, so I'm going to add some water. So very few spices goes in this. That is coriander seeds, then cumin seeds and black pepper, and you crush them coarsely. If you're using blender, make sure it's coarse. That will give a nice flavor. And I usually make this powder and keep it, so you can add it to any curries. It tastes really good. So I'm adding it to this puree of pineapple and tomato. And my mother used to also add jaggery, but the pineapple is not very sour. So if it's very sour, you can add jaggery. Let it boil on a medium heat. Add some salt. At this time, you can add jaggery if you want. So I'm going to allow it to boil, and my pot is has enough depth, so it won't spill over. So make sure. Now I'm going to add some green chilies and dal. I had cooked a dal. Any dal you can use of your choice, and every dal will give a different flavor. So now I'm adding pineapple cubes. So you can taste those pineapple cubes. They are not like overcooked because we are adding it now, and we're just going to give it one boil after adding pineapple cubes. So I'm going to add a little bit more water and give it a boil. And add some chopped cilantro, and we are going to add seasoning on top, and seasoning will give a nice flavor. So here I've taken some oil, and to this I'm going to add mustard seeds. And once mustard seeds splutter, I'm going to add red chilies, red peppers. If you don't have red peppers, you can add green chilies, some Asafoetida. The traditionally red peppers go in this, and some curry leaves. And make sure the red chilies are not getting burnt. You don't want that burnt flavor. You want the nice flavor. This will add a very nice flavor to the curry or sambar, and you can serve this with rice also. Add it to the curry and put off the gas stove, cover it, and serve it with rice, idli, dosa. It's really nice. So please try it, and please subscribe Narisaki for more videos. Thank you.